Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Photoshop Tutorials with Galactic Blue. My name is Raul Smith. I will be guiding you today through today's tutorial. Now you've probably seen 100 times a color subject on a black and white canvas. I'll be showing you today how to pull this off so that you may eventually one day impress your boss or your client with these promotional items. So the first thing, as you can see, is I have a picture of myself on a beach in Oregon doing a pose. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take the beach and the ocean in the background and remove all the color. Now to do that, I am first going to go ahead and change this background to a layer from background. This is very important because you won't be able to make any changes to the background itself without first making a new layer. So I'm going to go ahead and change it. I'm going to keep that at layer 0, mode normal, keep the color the same, click OK. Next thing I'm going to do is, well, there are two ways that we can actually do this. We can go ahead and use the Magic Wand tool, which will allow you to select all the stuff in the background, or we can use the eraser tool. I'm going to go ahead and choose the eraser tool, increase the size of my eraser, and I am going to zoom in, and I'm going to go ahead and first and foremost we need to duplicate the layer and hide the back layer like so. That way I know what I'm doing. Then I'm just going to go along the edge right here very carefully. I'm going to speed this video up a little bit so that I may have some time to chat with you. Now, over the course of the next several weeks, I will be doing tutorials that will either involve Photoshop or Illustrator. Sometime in May or June, I will also be dropping an HTML tutorial on how to create your own email form. These are tutorials that I have decided to do on YouTube so as to help you, prospective designer or developer, get a better understanding of what it would take to kind of get your feet wet in the pool a little bit, get in on some of the design and development aspects of what we do. So now that I've got the entire outline of my character outlined with the eraser tool, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the rest of the background with my Magic Wand tool. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the background. Now, once the background is removed, I add in the duplicate layer. right here, like so. I am going to go ahead and go to this Effects, Color Overlay, and go ahead and go with a gray or white, and I'm going to go ahead and, no, it's not overlay, color, there we go. As you can see, I have effectively taken out the color in the background. If you like this tutorial, this beginner Photoshop tutorial, you may feel free to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I will be dropping more Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials, as I mentioned, throughout the next several weeks. This is Raul Smith, President and CEO of Galactic Blue, and I hope that this helps you on your journey to becoming a web and graphic designer.